Alright, so you should have the first person perspective locking and unlocking working. And now this next part, once the player lands on this spawn location, the rain of fireballs should start. And the point of this is to run from one end to the other end. And you could set it to rain as hard as you want, as frequently as you want, and you can make this base plate as long as you want. But I made it this long, although in the original it was a bit longer, maybe twice as long. And then at the end here, there's going to be a helicopter and a soldier. Of course, you have artistic license to do whatever you want. You can make it a dragon or whatever it is that you want it to be. But the way I'm going to do it is if he touches the soldier, then it ends the game and he wins finally. And his and he wins. So how are we going to do this? Well, of course, we'll go back to our trusty toolbox. But of course, you can also use these blocks and create your own creature or dragon or helicopter or whatever it is you want if you feel like it. But I'm being lazy, so let's come over here to View, Toolbox. We'll search for the helicopter. Let's find one. Any one of these will do. Maybe we can grab that guy. A little bit big. Maybe I can grab this guy. Okay, that looks good. And then we want our soldier. So we have one here, which is cool. Let's go ahead and use him. Put him in the right location. And rotate him around so he's facing the character. And move him to the right location. And maybe I can put him in the middle. Okay. And then what I did as well is because I made my rain of fireballs so difficult to pass, I also put a spawn location here so that if they get there and they die, then it'll, have them restart there. So I'm going to do that as well. I'm going to duplicate that spawn location number 9. And I'm going to move it into the right location over here. And maybe I can also stretch it so that it is an appropriate size. Scale it so it fits. And there we go. Right. Okay. So everything's ready to go. Oh, I forgot this spawn location also has scripts that we want to get rid of, so I'm going to delete that. I don't want the character to be at the same place as the sparkles, so I'm going to go ahead and move him to the left or the right, and also rotate him towards with a slight angle. Okay, so there we go. So the stage is set, and now we want to go ahead and create our fireballs. Okay, and what I did is I also searched for a fireball. So let's come over here. Search for a fireball. Let's find one that you like. I'm just going to go ahead and put any fireball in here. Let's see. Can I see it? Whoa. Okay, so I can't see it when it loads straight into the starter pack, so I'm going to go ahead and move this guy into the workspace so I can actually see him in our world. I'm going to select him because I don't see him yet. I'm going to select him and I'm going to press the F key. Ooh, I don't see him. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get rid of him then. And let's use a different one. Whoa. Okay, that one looks kind of weird. Well, anyhow, you can go ahead and find one that, and then appropriately size it. And then once you do, whoa, that one looks kind of cool. And then once you do, then we'll talk about how to program its behavior. Okay, in the next video.